Mastering may and might in first conditionals. Hello language enthusiasts. Welcome to our series on English language learning. In this video, we're going to focus on the first conditional with modals, specifically using may and might. These words may seem simple, but they can vastly impact the meaning of your sentences. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of English grammar. First things first, let's brush up on first conditionals. A first conditional sentence often expresses situations based on fact in the present or future that are believed to be likely or possible. The structure is if plus present simple tense and will, may, might, can plus base form of verb. Example, if it rains, we will stay at home. If you don't hurry, you might miss the bus. Now that we know the basics, let's delve deeper into may and might. These modals are both used to express possibility, but they have different levels of certainty. May suggests that there is a good possibility something will happen. It is often used when the speaker believes the event is likely. Might implies that there is a lower possibility of something happening. It is often used when the speaker considers the event less likely. Example, if it rains, we may stay at home. There's a good chance we'll stay at home. If it snows in July, we might build a snowman. There's a lower chance of this happening. Let's put our learning into practice with a few exercises. Try to fill in the blanks with may or might. 1. If I save enough money, I __ buy a new car next year. 2. If she studies hard, she __ pass the exam with flying colors. 3. If we don't leave now, we __ catch the last train. 4. If you ask him, he __ tell you the truth. 5. If it's sunny tomorrow, they __ go to the beach. Pause the video and try to answer these on your own. Answers: 1. May. 2. May. 3. Might. 4. Might. 5. May. And there you have it, folks. We've gone over the use of may and might in first conditional sentences. Remember, may is for situations you think are more likely to happen, and might for those you consider less likely. Keep practicing these exercises and you'll be a master of first conditional in no time. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy studying!